Anyway, I'm starting the next part now. I think I just got that into the video, so that's kind of awkward. But anyway, I'm going to be opening this, continuing right off after my last pack opening, and it's probably going to be up on the same day unless something bad happens with my internet connection. So anyway, still here with Dorian R9, and I'm going to be opening the Dragon Exalted now. Now I'm going to open the Emerging Powers first, because I'm a douche.
Again, no EXs.
No EX or full arts yet, but so it's kind of just decent pull so far. But anyway.
Yeah. Like I said, in this pack, there's no EXs.
Yeah. So we have Ferroseed, Basculin, Purloin, Cubchoo, Darumaka. I love Darumaka. Reverse Swadloon, and another Excadrill. Recycle, Boldore, and Tranquil. So that's just kind of a meh pull. But anyway.
Yeah, okay. By the way, the two full arts are Thundaris and Tornadus.
And I think I might have already had the Tornadus, so.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, let's see. We got Petalil, Cubchoo, Clink, Deerling, Codney, Reverse Beartick, and then a Saucebuck. Boldore, Swadloon, and Pokemon Catcher.
Oh, I need that.
Okay, and so one more Emerging Powers. And still no EXs or even no full arts or even an EX yet, so that really sucks. But you know what? I'm just here to have fun. Okay, here we go. So we have Panpour, Darumaka, yay Darumakas, Venipede, Roggenrola, Volibee, Reverse Whimsicott, and Terrakion Hollow. Nice. That's
you would.
Terrakion Hollow, 120 HP, has Boulder Crush and Sacred Swords. That's pretty nice looking.
It does look nice, but it's not the good one.
Yeah. And then we got Sigilyph, Clang, and Max Potion.
Oh, I need the Max Potion.
And
Supposed to be running a couple of them.
so that's all for the, what was that again? That was Emerging Powers. So yeah, enough, all for the Emerging Powers, and now for the last packs I bought, the Dragon's Exalted. So I really hope I get a full art or an EX in this, because I haven't got one yet.
Or my Hydrazone.
So let's hope I start off Dragon Exalted with an EX or full art, because that'd be just epic. Okay, got the code cards. Drifloon, Murkrow, Yanma, Trubbish, Drifloon, Reverse Hollow Throw, and a Hollow Sigilyph. Is that any good?
Yes.
Safeguard prevents all effects of attacks, including damage done to this Pokemon by EX. So that's pretty nice. De-evolution spray and a B-barrel. Oh, and Gothorita. Again, keep on forgetting there's 10 cards in packs, not 9. Okay. So let's open the next pack of Dragon Exalted. I don't know if this will be a regular thing, but you can probably expect another card opening sometime around the bend before Christmas or so. Nincada, Aipom, Magikarp, Minccino, Foongus, Reverse Magmortar, and a Hollow Golurk. So there's those two. Buffalont, Maracatus, and Roselia.
I need the Buffalont.
I have 2 Buffalonts, not on the same opening, but I mean like I had one before too, so. Yeah, just tearing through the Dragon Exalted pack, I don't care. So let's open this one. You got Mareep, Nose Pass, Feebas, Cubone, Gothorita, Reverse Drifloon, and Giratina EX. That's awesome. You can see that's Giratina EX. That's a freaking amazing card.
I hate you.
Let's put that over here.
I hate you.
Vigoroth, Sock, and Blend Energy.
Which one?
It's normal water, electric, fighting, steel.
Oh, that's the one I... Oh, no, it's not. That's not the one I need.
Okay. So...
That's the one I have like 1,000 of.
So far, Dragon's Exalted's been pretty nice. Only 3 packs into, and I got an EX. So...
What do I need? Of all the cards.
Let's open the next pack. We got Minchino, Golett, Electrike, Roggenrola, Slackoth, Reverse Manectric, and a Claydol. Buffalo launch again, Cascoon, and Throw. So that's just kind of meh. And now we're on to the last pack, so come on, let's get another EX or a full art. These haven't been all of the best pulls yet. But I'm not complaining. I got them pretty cheap, so. Okay, let's go. We got Dino, Swablu, Vulpix, another Dino, Timpole, Giant's Cape, and Terrakion EX full art.
You really suck.
That's awesome. I knew
that is awesome.
I was hoping that I'd get a full art on the last pull, and there you go. Terrakion EX full art.
That's awesome.
Oh, nice, nice.
Thank you.
Okay. See, Dragon Exalted is the best pack. I got no EX that are false in anything else except for Dragon Exalted.
You got, Regigigas.
Well, not in this pack opening.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
Palpitoad, another Giant's Cape, and a Boldor. And so that's all the packs I have. I'll show you all the holos I've got. I got the holo Golurk, the holo Siglif, the holo normal Terrakion, the holo Volcarona, and the holo Haxorus. See those little twinkles there? Yeah, let me get the reverse holos. I don't know if I think I might have like put some of the reverse holos in the normal like pile, so this might not all be all of them, but we got Reuniclus, Manectric, Drifloon, Magmortar, Throw, Whimsicott, Beartic. Oops, that was a Swadloon that fell. See, Swatloon, Stoutland, Dwebble, Jolteon, Enhanced Hammer, Scraggy, Carablast, Fracture, Swaddle, and Giant's Cape. And then for the 2 EXs I pulled, it was a Giratina EX, and then a Terrakion EX full art.
Still suck balls.
So that was the best right there, the Giratina EX and the Terrakion EX. So yeah, those are pretty awesome cards, especially the Terrakion EX full art. That's awesome looking. So anyway, I don't know when you'll be expecting the next card opening. Maybe soon, probably not. This is going on for 10 minutes in this part of the video, so I will see you probably tomorrow when I give you a shiny hunting update. I'll see you guys then.